to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Yeezy 350 V2s that just came out this weekend or last weekend, and yeah, with no further ado, let's get started. So the box is the basic 350 V2 box, and so these are the Yeezy 350 V2s in true form, and they came out with 3 colorways, and these are the Europe exclusive colorway. They also came out with the Asia colorway and also the US colorway. And the Asia colorway was like a light blue, and then the US version, which hasn't released yet, is like this color that it has here in the back. I think it's called Clay. So these Yeezys remind me of the static colorway because they have the see-through part here. Also the inside part, or the kind of the see-through part, is kind of like a peachy color as the bottom here. Otherwise the shoe is it's pretty gray, but it has like some very light greenish stitching, so it's kind of like a yellowy green stitching together with the gray, but overall if you look at these shoes, they look really gray. So yeah, also the bottom has like 2 colors at the back here. It has like this greenish, a bit greenish beige bottom, and then the sides are like really dusty peach color. And also the back of the shoe, it's not really orange, it's kind of like a salmon color. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the color is, but it's pretty salmon-like. And yeah, otherwise they look exactly like every other Yeezy 350 V2s. And yeah, I don't really know if I like this colorway or not. It is very simple and it has like cool color details, and also this color is pretty rare on sneakers. I haven't seen this color on sneakers that much, so yeah, it's kind of a nice touch. But I think I still prefer the US version if I had to choose between these two, because yeah, the overall look is more like this peachy color. So yeah, it's more, I think, a statement piece, and also like rare in the sneaker world. And the Asia version also, it's like a light blue. I saw one video of them, and I think it's not really light blue. It has some other tints in it too, but it would be nice to see it live because I don't really have an idea. But yeah, I don't really know why they did a blue and a peach color, because yeah, I don't know what the connection is between those. But overall, this was a cool release because they had like different areas with different shoes, even though if you wanted to get the Asia version or US version and you lived in Europe, it would be more difficult. So in a way, pros and cons, but yeah. Also because Yeezys have kind of died, or there's been talk about Yeezys kind of dying, so I think this is kind of a cool way to get the hype going again, because there were people that wanted the US version or the Asia version and they couldn't get it. So yeah, the hype kind of rises through this release. These 3 releases were supposed to be launched at the same day, but unfortunately the US got delayed. I don't know the reasons why, but it got delayed to further on. I wanted to take the Sesame colorway here to compare because it is pretty similar to the color, and I wanted to see how it differs. And actually, now that I took it here, the green that I was talking about that was on the shoe, or the yellowy green, it actually is the same color as the Sesame pair. And yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening, because here when I compare these two, the Sesame pair looks pretty green, and I don't know why, because it's not really this green. But yeah, here the stitching that you can kind of see is pretty much the same color as the Sesame, but here you can see the color difference. So this is much cooler and more gray than the Sesame pair. I think this was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!